everyone, welcome to another video. This video is my Boxycharm videos, my favorite ones to film. This is my full face with it, sneak peek. This is what we're working with. I have some thoughts. There's some interesting products here, but I was overall pleased with this. That's a little bit of a sneak peek. I was pleased with this look in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit my notification bell, but keep on watching to see what I got of my Boxycharm and what I think of them. All right, I'm coming at you bare face because I have this Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. It's in this balm stick here. And it says, this eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow like that, while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. And it's $28. So it's got this little like stopper on it. Oh, it's really, really soft actually. How do I put that on right? Apply directly to the eye area under makeup. Reapply throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. Interesting. I'm gonna put it on my eyelids too. Whatever. Definitely cooling, but it makes me feel a little bit greasy, so I don't know. Alright, now that I got the majority of my makeup on, we're going to move on to this baby. It is a Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder. So it looks like this. I touched it a little bit because I was confused about the cream to powder. But what it says is the multitasking cream to powder face palette includes 2 finishes. It says it goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for a long-lasting color. And it is $24. It's very strange because it feels even weird in the pan. And then I don't know. Do I use a sponge with this? I'm confused. I'm gonna take my sponge, pray for me, into the bronzer. Get it off. And I'm going to take my brush and blend that real fast. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I've gotten it to look a little better here. Blended that to hell. Do not go with a sponge. It's a lot more pigmented than I thought. Just going in with this brush, dabbed it in literally so slightly. Like it gets real dark real fast. Learned my lesson. Let's go in with the blush. It's so weird because they look so, I don't know if you could see, they look so glistening and wet in the pan, but it's supposed to be cream to powder. I don't know. Just gonna stipple this on here, and I look like a goddamn clown. So hope you guys are liking the new natural lighting. Ignore the background. I've just moved. There's gonna be an update in a video coming up about my move, but this is my new setup, my new natural lighting. I hope you guys like it. And now that I look absolutely ridiculous, let's do a highlight. I'm a little nervous about the highlight. It's coming off a little dark, and it's putting absolutely nothing on my face. It's putting, okay, I take it back. It put a little bit of natural looking glow there, but my face feels so cakey and heavy at this point. Foundation, the kind of slippy under eye balm I used, the cream to powder, I don't know. It's my face clearly and looks heavy. I think, personally, I think my face looks heavy looking in my close mirror. Even on camera, I feel like it looks kind of not my best. I'm done with this, and I hate it. Safe to say I hate this. I don't really like that. That's all I have for face makeup in my box. So I'm going to go ahead and throw some eyes, some eyelashes on, and I will be right back. I just threw some very light eyeshadow on and no mascara because we have some lashes. This is from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and they are actually really pretty and kind of natural looking. I don't wear lashes. They aren't my thing, so I don't know how to put them on. Myself, at least. I can put them on other people. Oh no. And just like that, I'm going to put these back in the box. I, for whatever reason, cannot put fake lashes on myself. I've tried and tried and tried and tried. And now look, I'm leaking here. Let me throw some regular mascara on and we'll move forward. Okay, so clearly fake lashes are not my thing. Yikes. They're $14.99, and they're from Lashaholic Lashes. The next thing I was interested to see in here is the Kylie Skin Cleanser, I think. Oh, there's a lot of it. So it's a foaming face wash. Ooh. Slight fragrance. It lathers up really good. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm nowhere near a sink. Now that I did this, I'll be right back. I'm interested about this. Kylie Skin was such a controversy when it launched. And I never really tried anything out because, I don't know, I never did. I like the packaging. I like the pinkiness of it. That retails for $24, which is cheaper than I thought it would. Still not cheap. You can still get a really good face wash from the drugstore for cheaper than that. But I'm interested to try that out. I'm not going to open it anytime soon. I'm going through a cleanser right now. But when I do, I will keep you guys posted. Check my Twitter. Follow me down below for my thoughts. Also, thank you, Kylie Skin. Enjoy $5 off your next KylieSkin.com purchase with Boxy5. Get your coin. Finally, we have KAB, K-A-B Beauty. It is a lip liner and lip gloss in the shade, ooh, Charming. It is kind of like a plummy, maybe not plum, like raspberry. A little bit darker than raspberry color. Oh, that's pretty. Super opaque gloss. I wonder if it dries down. Probably not, but sometimes, you know, you get something that's marketed as a gloss and it's clearly not a gloss. Let me throw this lip liner on. The lip liner is absolutely fantastic. Went on so well. Super creamy. Let's finish with the gloss. It has kind of chunky, like fat packaging, which I really like. Not my color. I definitely don't gravitate towards colors like this. I feel weird wearing them. I don't know why, but it's definitely a nice formula. It's not sticky, but you can feel it. You know what I'm saying? Like I can feel that it's there, but it's definitely not drying down or not gloopy, not stringy, but I feel like this could get, especially this color, this could get very messy. All right, that was the last thing in my Boxycharm. I think, I'm going to be honest, I think this combination was my favorite. It gets me out of my comfort zone a little bit. It's kind of actually really pretty on. I don't know why I feel weird wearing it. I kind of feel like a Vixen, or I don't know. Ignore me. I feel, I don't know, red definitely is for brave people. And I'm not one of them when it comes to makeup. But that was my favorite thing so far. I'm very interested about the Kylie Skin. The lashes I'll learn to use. Link me some recommendations down below of videos that helped you learn how to use fake lashes, because I could use all the help I can get when it comes to these. I can put them on other people, but when it comes to myself, I cannot. I struggle so bad. Link me some recommendations down below. I would love to learn. I'm also very intrigued about the Tula Skincare eye thing. My under eyes are my struggle point. If you've seen any of my other videos, I've mentioned it 100 times. So anything that's going to help that area, I'm super into. But that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me comments down below. Please come back for more videos. But that's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.